wow, I thought I'd quickly get this done before I go to work because I want you to be able to see this before I ship it. And this is that baby quilt that I thought I'd get done and sent last week. But here it is. All those parts and pieces that we put together, picked out, laboriously looked for all the little pieces. Let me hold it back for you. Let me stand over on the other side and I'll hold it. You can see my Marlene's old blue, the old blue truck that I learned to drive on. But here's this baby quilt. It's really a nice size for, I know some of the real intricate baby quilts that I've given away, they've used them as wall hangings to decorate the nursery. But this one is probably in that category. You can see I did a grid pattern and quilted it on my domestic. First time I've ever done that, really, other than a couple of table settings, tablecloths. So you can't really see much of it, but you can see that we got 2 with the gingham corners. Excuse me. We've got some in the middle with just the dark edges. 2 more ginghams. And then in the, let's see, where's that one that doesn't have any edges? It's right in the middle, the very middle. This one, there's no rim around it. Remember we had some that had the rim, some without, and some that we added the gingham to. And we just accidentally had enough border. I'm totally jazzed about that. And when we got to the corner and it wasn't going to be mitered, I had some extra of that green strip, if you remember, and I just added it to that corner piece that abutted up against here so that it would appear to be the same. Isn't that fun? Let me find that part that I did that to. Man, you can't even tell where it's at. Well, that's encouraging, isn't it? Well, I'm very happy with it. And I got a label on it. I was going to do an embroidered label, but I had these from Amazon, and it says wash on gentle cold water cotton, you know, that kind of thing. And made with love by Marlene McPhee. So, okay, there's my quilt. It's ready to go. Now it's finally ready to go. Okay, have a good day. Bye.